I'm really sure that you knew this. If you didn't know this, I think it is a very small percentage that is not aware that over 70% of content creators, they quit in their first 6 months of starting. I know right now, if you among of them, you are just smiling. Not because they lack talent. Oh my God, I have some who are very talented, but because they can't keep up with consistency. Consistency is the only disease, it is the only thing that has chased them. You feel it too. I know you're feeling it as I said, right? The pressure to post every day, stay relevant, be creative, and never run out of ideas is very hard and disgusting. Well, today I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to create a 30 days of content in just 1 hour for Facebook, for YouTube. Are they blogs? Are they posts? All are they transcripts? This is what I do. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. This is your girl Christine, the lady that says I cannot hold a smartphone, I have internet, and I beg for butter and bread. No way. So having said that, you guys, I want to take special should I say a special thank you to all Immaculate Show members and even to the new people. This is the place where we can change our mindset because all riches start from our mind. Now, let's jump in and see how exactly, what can we do. In the first one, if you're content creator on Facebook, on Instagram, YouTube or TikTok, and you're tired of burnout, or really you're burning out, you're depressed and stressed, this video will rescue you. Stick around, because I will walk you through my exact ChatGPT prompts, and by the end of this video, you will never stress over content again. Yes, you've heard of me right. Let's see the struggles creators face, because we're not going to solve what people don't know. Creators, we have all been there, you guys. I've been there, I'm there. You open up your app, blank screen, no ideas. You even ask yourself, what will I post tomorrow? It's already 10 p.m. and you've posted nothing. It's coming to another day. You're like, what's this? And you're looking at screen, people are posting, people are premiering. You're like, wow, gosh, what's this? But here's the truth. You don't have to create content every single day. I stopped that. You just need a plan, and plan smartly and smoothly once, and let automation plus AI do the heavy lifting. So what is ChatGPT and why is it a game changer? If you don't know ChatGPT, it's an AI tool that helps you generate content instantly. Like, for example, need 30 hooks, need 30 captions, need engaging questions or collage ideas. All these ones, it will give you in seconds. Yes, it's like having a 24/7 creative assistant in your pocket. The best part is that it's fast, free, very affordable, and easy to use for any niche. I'm telling you the truth. That's why I can sit down and I make content for 5 days, content for 10 days, content for 30 days. But here is how I use ChatGPT to create 30 days of content in under 1 hour for Facebook, for YouTube, for TikTok. Step number 1, I give it my niche. E.g., for example, like me, I'm into making money online and I'm into love. But for you, you might be in fitness, you might be in maybe new moms. What you do, you go and put their fitness for moms or money making tips for beginners. Then step 2, you ask for 30 posts ideas, including carousel, including reels, including quotes, tips, and stories. Then step 3, you tell it, I use this prompt. Yes, and give me 30 engaging post ideas for this niche, like making money online, that inspire, educate, or entertain my audience. This is what you should feed into it. You can even see how I made this. I made 30, I think there are 30 of them for Facebook. You can see it on my screen. Then step 4, for each idea, you ask ChatGPT to write 1, a catchy hook, a caption, a 3 to 5 relevant hashtag, a short call to action. This is very workable and very okay. What I need to encourage you is to do this. You can even ask it to format it for Instagram, for Facebook, for YouTube Shorts. Just be specific and it will do this for you. What are the result and efficiency is what we need to focus on. Once, like me, once I have everything, I copy this and paste them into content calendar. I reschedule up like Buffer, Notion, and I even put in Latter. I literally go from having no content to being fully scheduled for the month in 1 hour. This allows me to focus on engaging, replying, and even resting. If you've been following me on Facebook, you wonder, how come every hour on Facebook I have a posting, I have something that is coming every hour on Facebook. That is what I'm teaching you, and that one is bringing money. Now, what do you think? I said this video I want it to be short and precise. If you feel you need to know much about what I've discussed, please put it in the comment section. I'll come and do for you a step by step. Even if you want, you can chat me alone. We make a masterclass. So if you have been struggling to stay consistent, you guys, content creators, if content creation is stressing you out, just to remember this, you don't need to be online 24/7. No. Some people think I'm always online. Never, I'm not always online. I reschedule my things for almost 7 days. You just need to write, just to be there. You don't need the whole team. You just need the right system. And ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Yes. If you know you've been thinking, how does this lady do it? The only thing I need to engage whenever the posts are running. If this helped you guys, drop in the comment section a heart for me and type there 30 days in 1 hour. Please do it for me. Do you want me to send you my full ChatGPT prompt list? Just comment, send me, and I will inbox you immediately. Don't forget, you guys, to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, because your engagement means a lot for me. It's something that adds on money. Consistency is not about hard work. And even consistency, you guys, is not hard. It's our mentality. It's a thinking that consistency is hard. No, it isn't. Especially when you plan it smart. Of course, if you don't plan it smart, it will be very hard. You will burn out. You'll feel bad. You'll even hate doing content for yourself. So, guys, if you're listening to me, I love you so much, and let me know you love me too. Let's make this money online. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.